Imagine you're clearing a table and you see this tray. You can easily count the burgers, but try counting the spilled water. You can't, because burgers are individual items. You can put an exact number in front of them. 1, 2, 3. In English, we call these countable nouns. They follow a specific set of rules. You can make them plural by adding an S at the end, like burgers. And if there's only one, you can use a or an, like a burger. But look at the puddle of water. Liquids, powders, and large masses don't work the same way. You can't say one water or two waters. These are uncountable nouns. They do not have a plural form, so you never add an S. Instead of numbers, we talk about their quantity using words like some. You say some water or some salt. The physical shape of the food tells you how to talk about it. If it's a distinct object, you count it. If it's a formless mass, you apply the uncountable rules. When you're working the counter, you have to ask customers what they want. The exact question you use depends on the type of noun you're dealing with. If a customer asks for a side of apples, you use the phrase how many, because apples are countable. How many apples would you like? But if they want ketchup, a liquid, you switch to how much. You ask, how much ketchup do you need? Matching the question to the noun type keeps the order process smooth and prevents miscommunication when the lunch rush hits. If your first language is Spanish, you need to watch out for false friends. The grammar rules for food in your native language do not always match English. In many languages, you can count bread and cheese. In English, they are strictly uncountable. You never ask for one bread or two cheeses. You must always say some bread or some cheese. Breaking a habit from your native language takes active focus, but learning these specific exceptions helps you avoid the most common traps for restaurant workers. Let's test this out. Take a look at these two items, money and chicken nuggets. Pause the video and decide which one takes how much and which takes how many. Because chicken nuggets are individual, distinct pieces of food, they are countable. You ask the customer how many chicken nuggets. Money is the trickier one. You can count individual coins, but the overarching concept of money is an uncountable noun. It requires how much. Practicing these specific edge cases out loud trains your brain to use the correct words without hesitation while you work. Let's try a real-world example. A customer orders 3 fries, a burger, and 2 milks. Can you spot the grammatical error? Fries and burgers are countable, so numbers are fine. But milk is a liquid, making it uncountable. The order must be some milk. To sum it up, here is your cheat sheet. Countable nouns take exact numbers, plural S's, a or an, and how many. Uncountable nouns take no numbers, no plural S's, the word some, and how much. During your next shift, look around the kitchen and the counter. Start mentally sorting the items you see into these two groups, and you'll master the rules in no time.